Namaskar. In today's world, with so much sitting around and unhealthy eating, it's no surprise that belly fat and bloating has become a common problem. But keeping your stomach flat isn't just about how you look, it's also about feeling healthy and strong from within. A strong core means a better digestion, improved posture, and even less stress. Today, we are going to do short but powerful practice. I will not only target your abdominal area but also make you feel stronger, calmer, and more balanced. So let's begin with one round of Suryanamaskar. First, stand straight in Hastapadasana. Both legs together, both arms in front in Namaste. Now inhale and take your arms up and backwards. This is called as Hastapadasana. Now exhale, bend forward. Get your hands beside the floor on both the side of your leg. Hastapadasana. Now take your right leg back and inhale. This is Shashankasana. And take your left leg back now while exhaling. And this is called as Muktasana. Suspend your breath and do Ashtanga Namaskar with your knee, chest, chin touching your floor. Now slowly inhaling, go to Bhujangasana. While exhaling again, come back to Muktasana. Inhale, take your right leg back, Ashwasanchalanasana, and then exhaling, come back to Hastapadasana. While inhaling, take your both arms up in Hastapadasana, and now exhaling, come back to Sthitapranasana. Then we have 4 asanas for abdominal compression. First is Pavanmuktasana. Lie down on your back, body straight, both arms on the side. First inhale fully, exhaling, bend both of your knees, hold it, lift it up, hold it with both the hands and point your toes out. Suspending your breath, hold this for 6 seconds. While inhaling, make your legs straight again and exhaling, bring your legs down. Now this is one round. Do at least 3 rounds of this Pavanmuktasana. Second asana is Mandukasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Now make a fist with thumb inside. Bring both the fists together below the navel. Exhaling, bend forward and lower the body and try to touch the head to the floor. Hold this position for a few seconds in normal breathing. Suspend it maybe for 6 seconds. When you are holding, you are suspending the breath. So suspend it for 6 seconds. While inhaling, come back to the starting position. Do 3 rounds of this. Third is Balasana. In Balasana, sit in Vajrasana, resting the palm on knee. Exhale and bend forward to rest your head on the floor. Simultaneously, take your hands backwards on both the sides of the body. Stay in this position and breathe normally. While inhaling, come back to the starting position. Practice this for 1 or 2 minutes. Fourth is Shashankasana. Sit in Vajrasana. Now, spread the knees wide as to your comfort. Now, slowly bend forward and put your head in front. Bring your arms forward. Keep stretching the arms outside, arms in front, and relax. Elbows onwards, resting on the mat. Hold this position. Breathe normally for 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly, while inhaling, come back to the starting position. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we have 2 asanas to target your abdominal muscles. Lie down on your back, legs together, palms facing downwards. Now exhale and raise your legs around 45 degrees. Simultaneously, bring your arms forward and raise the upper torso, hands and legs parallel, gazing at the big toe. The head should be straight in line with big toe. Hold this position for 6 seconds. And now inhaling, come back to starting position. Do 3 rounds with pause in between. Now we talk about Phalakasana. Sit in Vajrasana on mat, hands on the knees, palm facing downwards. Now lift your hips, lean forward and come to all fours with toes curled inwards. Exhaling, stretch the right leg back followed by left leg. Keep your whole body straight with foot apart. Make your head, spine and neck in one line. Gaze down. Breathe normally to hold this position. Hold it for maximum 2 minutes. While inhaling, bring one by one both the legs forward and sit in Vajrasana. Now we have forward bending asanas. Stand straight, hands on sides. Both the feet parallel to each other, 2 feet apart. Keep the neck straight, shoulders squared. Focus eyes on one point in front of you. Now inhaling, clench the fist. Bring your arms up. While exhaling, bend forward and downwards. Now swinging the arms, take them back. Clasp the fingers. Extend the bend of the body till the head touches the knee. Complete all these above steps while exhaling. While inhaling, come back to the starting position and take your arms to the starting position. 3 rounds of this Chakrasana. Now let's do Halasana. Lie down on your back, legs straight, hands beside the body, palm facing down. First inhale fully and while exhaling, lift both the legs slowly upwards. Keep them straight. Take them slowly backwards beyond head with the support of your hands to the back. Once it touches the floor, point the toes outwards. Complete this above step while exhaling. Maintain this position with breath suspended for 6 seconds. While inhaling, slowly come back to the starting position. Do 3 rounds of this. Now let's do Hastapadasana. Here you stand straight with hands beside your body. While inhaling, raise both the hands and arch the back slowly, bending downwards. Keeping the legs straight and try to touch the toe with your tip of the fingers. Try to keep your head between the hands. Bend elbows and hold the ankle with your hands. Draw the head towards the knee. Rest forehead on the knee. Maintain this while suspending for 6 seconds. Now inhaling, slowly come back to starting position with hands raised upwards. And while exhaling, bring your hands down. Practice 3 rounds with pause in between rounds. Now let's do Paschimottanasana. Sit with your legs extending in front, hands beside the body. Raise both arms on the respective sides beside the chest, holding your elbows parallel to the ground, while palms continue facing down. While inhaling now, lean backwards. Immediately exhaling, bend forward simultaneously, taking the hands to go beyond toes while pulling the toes inwards. Stay in this position for some time. Stay in this position for 6 seconds. Now slowly, by inhaling, come back to starting position. Practice 3 rounds with pause in between rounds. Now, Yoga Mudra. Sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana. Hold the right hand wrist, grasping the left wrist at the backside. Focus at a point in front of you and breathe normally. Now, exhaling slowly, bend forward. Arch your spine and touch the forehead to the mat. Hold this position, suspending the breath for 3 counts. Inhaling, come back to the starting position. Continue holding the wrist. Immediately, while exhaling, twist the body to the right and bend forward to touch your knee to your forehead. Suspending the breath and holding this position for 6 counts. Now, inhale and come back to starting position. Continue holding your hands at the back. And repeat the same from the left side. Repeat this cycle 2 more times. So, this was quick, effective 10 minutes yoga routine. That's more than just a belly fat burner. This practice is your gateway to a holistic transformation, reducing stress, improving sleep, and enhancing your overall wellness. Here are some more tips to help you to get a flat stomach. Mix 2 tablespoons full of apple cider vinegar in water and drink it every day in the morning to start with weight loss. Cut down on white bread, soda, fried stuffs, and sugary snacks that contributes to fat accumulation. And eat some belly-friendly food, oats, apple, leafy greens, high in soluble fibers to reduce belly fat and keeps you full longer. Stop eating at least 3 hours before bedtime to avoid excess calorie intake and encourage overnight fat burning. Include lean protein like tofu, legumes, or soya into your meals to boost metabolism and reduce fat storage. Consume triphala powder. Mix triphala powder in warm water. Take half an hour before bedtime or twice daily after meals to aid digestion and promote weight loss. Combined with yoga routines to have a simple lifestyle changes, and you will be on your way achieving flat stomach. Namaskar.